We've previously been over how the cloud works through the use of hypervisors, but what does a hypervisor actually do? A hypervisor enables virtualization, creating multiple virtual machines from one physical server. This greatly extends the capabilities of the server, maximizing its resources. Hypervisors are used in cloud computing to create a network of virtual servers, pulling their resources from an underlying network of physical servers. Hypervisors allow for multi-tenant cloud solutions, where a server can be shared between multiple users and organizations. Multiple VMs can be created and allocated to users from the same physical server while remaining isolated. This gives each user the benefit of their own powerful, secure platform without needing their own dedicated physical resources. So why should you use a hypervisor? Without the virtualization that hypervisors enable, hosting architecture would require a much greater number of physical servers, each of which would need to be managed and maintained by your business. Virtualization is a significantly more efficient use of space and resources, with the added benefit that VMs can be managed from a central management console. Hypervisors also allow for scalability, where resources can be increased and decreased with your business growth and demand. Virtualization using hypervisors additionally brings cost savings by maximizing the resources per physical server, meaning you are utilizing less physical hardware for the same performance.